course sails back to the apple course, please. Okay. There we go. Now you guys get in that boat. Paddle it over. Right. Which cannon is that? And Michelle, you're gonna help. You guys are gonna paddle it across, right? So we have people in.
It was really fun out there. It's windy. Some people capsize, but that's always fun.
Something I learned was how to rig a boat and de-rig a boat.
At first I was really nervous and scared, but now I'm comfortable being on the boat and I felt I went a lot.
So much fun. Like most days we get out on the water, but the 2 days that it was too windy, they'd always have like games for us to play, and we would do like theory stuff.
I was surprised it was so laid back. Like I was surprised they were so like easy with everything we did.
Everyone's like new and stuff, so they allow everyone to try everything.
The most fun I had was probably tipping the boat.
Capsizing, that was definitely the best.
Learning the knots. The most fun I ever had was going on the apple course for my very first time.
After I sailed by myself, I felt a lot more confident in